Hey yo people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited resources in my FC mobile game, absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you everything step by step how I got it online and free, and later we will test it together. Does it actually work? So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called appsnake.com. You will find it easily, guys. And then let's click on FC Mobile there. And then we will have to enter our FC Mobile user ID. So guys, I have already copied my user ID. I'll paste it there. And if you don't know how to find it, just click here how to find it. It's pretty simple. Just go to settings and click on copy button on your UID. So just click continue when you copy this, guys, and it will start searching for our user account. So you should get this message, user found, and now we'll have to select all the additional resources that we want to add to our FC Mobile. So I will select this almost 1 million resources and click continue. So guys, API will start connecting, so make sure to subscribe to my channel, Mighty Rats, in order to get the newest news and reviews and tutorials that I do. So yeah, and let's see, there we go, guys. API is successfully connected. As you can see, our user ID is connected as well, and now we got our captcha. So we'll have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click on I'm not robot, guys, and it may require a manual verification if your IP is suspicious. So if you get on manual verification, just make sure to complete 2 simple free tasks and it will redirect you to the main step, I mean successful step. So when you see successful step, you will receive all the additional resources you have selected. So let's click on I'm not robot and let's see what we'll get. So there we go, guys. You will receive just pop up like this and verification successful. As you can see, coins, gems, points and tokens are sent. So now we will open our FC Mobile and we will see does it actually work. So guys, let's see, is it actually legit? Appsnake.com. Will we actually receive all these amazing resources? So there we go, guys, it's actually generating our resources. It works amazing. I'm so excited to show you that it actually works. So I'm going to play now my FC Mobile and literally whole day. Appsnake.com is website where you can get all these free resources without downloading any modded APKs or any software. So guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.